In this lesson, I will explain to you for loop. We have discussed while loop in the last lesson, and I have told you the difference between if statement and the while loop. So this two while loops we have used in the last lesson. Here I am going to run this again for you so you can see what we did in the last lesson. Okay, so when I will run this, so you will see there are the horizontal lines and the vertical lines on the canvas by using this while loop. So see, x is equal to 0 is initialized here, while x is less than width. So while loop will continue unless or until this condition becomes false, right? So these two while loops, one is for the horizontal line and one for the vertical lines we have used. So the same loop, same kind of thing we will perform with the help of for loop. See, this will remains the same on the next slide. Only instead of this while loop, I will use the for loop. So keep in mind that for loop and while loop both are same. You will get the same result if you will use the while loop and the for loop. The difference is, see, while loop will take 4 or 5 lines, while the for loops you can write down in one line, or second one is the command. See, the same scenario which we have discussed in the last slide. Here is the for loop. So keep in mind, in for loop, between these two parentheses you have to write down the three expressions. In the first expression is you have to declare and initialize the variable, the second boolean operation, and third is the increment operation. So all these three expressions you have to write down within this brackets. But in case of while loop, same thing you have to write down in three different lines. This is the difference. So I'm going to run it, or simply you can say that for loop is the shortcut of the while loop. So when I will run this program, means one is the while loop, other is the for loop, right? You will get the same output, same grid pattern, right? So what you have learned, that there is no difference between while loop and the for loop. For loop is the shortcut of the while loop. Now it is your job to practice it, make different programs. Instead of these horizontal or vertical lines, you can make the inclined lines or whatever you want. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.